Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create the left and right video edit trend on CapCut. So there's two ways to do it. You can go to template and actually search up left and right, like the template, and choose the one you want. Select use template and select 10 clips. So I'm just going to select these 10 clips. Like so. Once you're done, you're just going to select preview, and then the video will be created for you by itself. And then once you're done, you're just going to select export, and then you can save it to device, but there's going to be a watermark, or you can share it to TikTok. There's another way to do it. So go back, and I'm just going to select cancel, select new project, and select those photos again. The template's going to be a little bit different, but you're going to select overlay, add overlay, go to videos, and I'm going to select this sort of video I have. Go to chroma key, select the green part, and adjust the intensity like so. And for every text, I'm going to change the picture. And this is the final result. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!